Hello guys, this is Unnamed, and in this video we're gonna see how to install Pterodactyl panel in GitHub Codespace without any error, without any problem. There'll be no issue. This thing is the same video of yesterday's. I'm just audio dubbing it. It's my real voice, and here mainly we'll see how to create the Pterodactyl panel without any issues, no red heart, no anything. If you do it properly, you won't come to my Discord server to create a ticket and ask me help. So firstly, here we have to create a repository. So I'm gonna click on the create repository. You have to log in before that. I know you people know how to log in. Now the repository name will be panel. It's your wish, you can keep it anything. I'm gonna keep it panel. Here I'm going to add a readme file. So just click on this box and then create the repository. Now once the repository is created, click on the code thing. Or here you can click on the three dots, or you can go for the plus, like straightforward. It's not an issue having a 8 GB RAM in your panel thing, because we are not gonna host our Minecraft in it. The Minecraft server won't be technically hosting on this code space. So now come to my Discord, and over here, come here, you can see the Pterodactyl 2 thing. If you are not able to see this, go up over here. Over here, just click on this and then show all channel. Just make this tick. Or here, after you make that like a tick, you can come down, and over here free panels category, here you can see Pterodactyl 2 as a channel. When you click on this, over here you can see there's a link. Basically click on this link. It's a 5-step, like you can say whatever it is, but it's a 5-step thing. Complete the 5 steps, you'll get a Mediafire link, which I'll show you. You should turn off your ad blockers if it's active. It's not a big thing, just a few minutes work. This for supporting me. I hope you people will support me. And you can see here these things will pop up. Just close it, wait for the how many seconds they say, and then you can close this. You can come down. Or here, once you scroll down, you'll find the proceed thing. So scroll down, or here you can see get link. This will be the 5-step thing. I'll finish till the last step and come join you at the last step. Over here, as you can see, this is the last step. Over here you have to wait for 5 seconds. That's it, and you'll get the link. Press on get link, and over here you can see this Mediafire link is opened. Click on the download. It's just 600 or 700 bytes txt file, and over here, as you can see, it's been downloaded. Now if you want, you can turn on your ad blocker or turn off it. It's your wish. Or here, let's open the txt file, and over here you can see the whole command. Here you have to, we are not going to use ngrok, we are going to use Cloudflare tunnel. Or here we're going to copy this panel thing, bash, curl and everything. Let's copy the first command. Or here, as you can see, click on allow, paste it, and click on allow, whatever comes, and press enter. Now this is a 30 seconds thing. I'll join you once this thing gets completed. Or here, as you can see, this thing has been shown, like a port has been forwarded. Make this as public. Here you can see make public in a gray color. Please click on that. Then over here it's asking, is this user an administrator? Yes, you have to type yes, and your email address, you can give it anything. I'm gonna give mine. And over here your username, then your first name, then your last name, then the password, Here you can see I've typed the password, but it's not showing. It's not an issue. Like you type, my password is unnamed, so I'll type UNNAMED. It's typed, but it's not showing here. Once you complete typing a password, press enter. That's it. So here I'm gonna press enter, and you can see the user is created. There's no password written over there, but the user is created. My password would be unnamed only. Over here you can see if you did not make it public at that time, it's not an issue. Just right click on it, and over here you can see port visibility, make it public. And over here open it, you can see the earth thing over here, like the circle thing with lines, latitudes and longitudes. Click on it and press over here continue. Once you come to this web page, press continue. Over here you can see this is a Pterodactyl panel. Put your username, put your password, and you can see this is my password. So now let's come over here, let's go to admin, and over here the settings. In the settings you can change your company name to anything. I'm going to keep it unnamed, and you're gonna save it. Here in advance I think there's nothing to do. There's nothing. Let's come to the locations. Over here you can see create a new location with a short code IN. You can keep it anything. I just kept the location name as IN because it's for India. And the nodes, click on the nodes over here. Over here let's create a new node. Press on create new. Here you can keep the name anything. It's your wish again. I'm going to keep it IN1. And for the FQDN, now we are gonna come back over here. Let's go to the main page of the GitHub. Once you come to the GitHub, over here create a new repository. We have created already a panel repository, but we're gonna create a new repository naming it wings. And over here you can see you add a readme file. Just tick this box, and once you tick it, create the repository. Now as you can see the repository has been created. Click on code. Over here you have to go for the 3 dots and select the first option, means new with options. Once you selected that, go to the machine type and select it as 4 core. If you're okay with 2 core, you can go with 2 core also, it's not an issue, but I would prefer choosing 4 core. Now here you can see the RAM is 16 GB and the storage is 32 GB, whereas in the 2 core it's 2 GB, not 2 GB, it's 32 GB storage and 16 GB, 8 GB RAM. Over here now let's copy this wings command and let's wait until our Codespace loads. Over here as you can see the Codespace has been loaded, and let me make this big for your convenience. Over here paste the code. I don't know what this scope palette came, but I'm sorry with inconvenience, but let's continue like this only. Just paste this code and press enter. This is a few seconds task, there's nothing to skip. Over here you can see this has been completed. Come to your notepad. Over here copy the let's go here. Before that let's go to the extension. In the extension you can see here type tunnel, search for tunnel. Over here you can see TUNNEL, and install the third one, which means the Cloudflare tunnel. Install this. Others I don't know, but this is a better one. Come over here, come to Cloudflare tunnel, create a tunnel, and over here backspace this, delete this 8080 and type 443. You can see here I'm gonna type 443 and then press enter. This is gonna create a new tunnel which is gonna connect this terminal, means whatever this thing VPS, to the web. Now copy this. You can see you can copy by anything and then come here, or here go to your FQDN, this thing, the Pterodactyl panel, and paste it in FQDN. Now you can see the HTTPS thing, just delete it. We need only the thing which is next to the HTTPS. This will be behind the proxy. We're going to go behind the proxy, and over here total memory will be 16384, and the memory allocation will be 0. The total space will be 32768, and your disk over allocation will be 0. The daemon port will be 443, and create the node. Once you create it, the IP address over here will be 0.0.0.0, and the ports will be 191.0.0 to 192.0.0. You can keep the ports anything as you wish, but the IP address will be 0.0.0.0. Now once you complete it, click on submit over here, the green color icon over here, as you can see. Now before that, I want to tell you one thing. This port should be the same as when you keep it in the plate website. Now come for the configuration thing, and let's come back to our Wings terminal. This is the panel terminal, this is the Wings terminal over here, as we can see. Now let's go to the notepad and let's copy the command over here. Here you can see cd Pterodactyl. Copy this second command, cd Pterodactyl, paste it over here, press enter. Now come back to your notepad. It's sudo su. I just typed it. The third command, sudo su. I typed it. I'm going to copy the fourth command. Let's paste it. Now you can see this is the notepad for this terminal. This Ubuntu thing, and Ubuntu works on this GNU as a notepad. Over here we're going to paste our code which is there in the Pterodactyl panel. If you're doing it in mobile, it's not perfect, like you can't paste it perfectly. This code over here, as you can see, you have to copy this code. So watch my previous video, it will be there in the I button, and you have to paste this code. Once you paste this code over here, as you can see, the alignment is so clean and clear as it is there in this configuration file and Pterodactyl thing. If you're doing in mobile, it's not gonna work as perfect. Your alignment will go totally wrong. So please watch my previous video. It will be there in the I button. And let's move on. Press Ctrl O to save the file. Over here, as you can see, let me just a second. You see Ctrl O, then press enter. Over here, because of the ASCII thing, the thing did not show. And then press Ctrl X to exit it. Press Ctrl O, then enter to save it, and press Ctrl X to exit it. Now come to the notepad. Over here, let's copy the last command, not the last command, the last second command. So over here, let me come to notepad. cd wings, I'm gonna just type it. Let me copy the seventh command. Here you have to type cd wings and then paste the last command, docker compose up, whatever the thing is. Now we'll come to the nodes back over here. Your heart will be green. If it's red, it's your mistake, it's not my fault. You have done something wrong. You can come to my Discord. You can join my Discord. You can see everything. If you are not getting the solution, you can come to the Discord, create a ticket and ask me whatever your problem is. I would be happy to solve your problem. It's not a big issue. Your problem is not so big as I can't solve it because I have made this video. And over here, now you can see over here in the Discord, like come here, create ticket, and just press on create a ticket and you'll create a ticket. You can see there are 2 tickets active. Now or here, even if it's a small thing, like you can't paste the first command, or here literally like you can't paste the first command, or there's a problem creating a node, creating a code space, you have doubts on code space. I want to tell you one thing, it's not a 24/7. If you're gonna create a hosting, it would be a biggest mistake and would be the biggest fool creating it. It's not gonna be 24/7. It's gonna be like how much time you would keep the web page, means this terminal on, that much time it will be on. When you're gonna stop it, like exit it, it's gonna exit. Now come to the servers, create a new server, keep the name anything, I'm gonna keep it, and assign the server owner. Over here in the users you can create new user, give it to your friends and everything, and come down, the CPU pin will be 0, memory will be 168.4, this for the maximum. You can share it how much you want, like for 2 servers it will be this half and everything, 3 servers 1/3 with something. Do your maths, calculate it and make how many servers you want. You can create multiple nodes also and everything. Your tag will be paper, the Docker image will be 21 for the latest version. If you're using 1.16.5 it will be 16, if you're using 1.17 it will be 17, if you're using everything that will be that thing only. Or here, as you can see, if you have any doubt, create a ticket and ask me the Minecraft latest version, everything, create the server. Now let me open the server. Or here you can see the server is currently running, the installation process, and my actions are unavailable. So let's wait until it installs. Now you have to copy this command, creating server IP w.get https blah blah blah. Just copy it, come to your Wings Codespace, paste the command and press enter. Now you can see it's done. Now come back over here, copy the last 2 lines like this till here only. How much I copied, that much only. Paste it and press enter. Now you can see here you have to press Ctrl and click on the link, or you can copy it, you can do anything. For me it was a problem, I don't know what was the problem, so Ctrl plus click and open it. So let's wait, it's not opening. So you can see, click on open. Now I have to log in. I'm gonna create a new account. Or here you can see, you can create your own account, you can type your own password, it's your wish. Or here you can see it's like waiting for the player to connect to our servers. Let it do its thing, it's gonna take few minutes or few seconds, that's it. And over here it's asking to accept the Minecraft EULA, click on I accept. Now let us wait until this thing, you can see the tunnel is open, I think so, for something. Let's come back over here, you can see here, just create the tunnel. Now over here you can see it's like tunnel type, click on the tunnel type and make it Minecraft Java game and press add the tunnel. Now here in the local port you have to keep it 19100, which is gonna be the same thing over here. You can see what is after 0.0.0.0. The after colon part you need to paste it over here. It can be 25565 also, it's not an issue. Then press on update. Now let's wait, and over here you can see it's been done. Copy this, or you can copy the IP address also. With these two, whatever these links are, you can go to your Minecraft, go to multiplayer, add the address. You can use this both addresses and play your Minecraft easily. I'm not gonna show because I've reset in my PC, and over here I can't do it again, means it takes a lot of time. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, like the video. Bye bye, have a great day.